Hello dear children, welcome to your channel IngT, English Teacher. Dear children, please subscribe your channel for future videos. To subscribe your channel, use subscribe button. Today, we will try to solve KSEEB model question paper of second language and we will see the key answers in this video. You will be given 4 choices for each of the question or incomplete statements. Need to choose the correct answer and shade the correct choice in the OMR given to you with blue or black ballpoint pen. Remember, you will have 40 questions and for each question there will be 4 choices and each question carries 1 mark. To shade the OMR, you need to use blue ball pen or black ball pen. And you must also remember that your question will start with 41 number in your exam. And let us answer the first question of second language here. Self-medication is not good. You should consult the doctor. The language function for the above sentence is option A, seeking information, option B, agreeing, option C, request, option D, advice. Option D, advice is the answer. The word which collocates with rustling is waves, fruits, leaves, shadows. I hope you read the first lesson, A Hero. There you find rustling leaves. Option C is the answer, rustling leaves. So word rustling collocates with leaves here. The word which has 2 syllables is option A, school, option B, consonant, option C, father, option D, clue. Option C, father is the correct answer. School, 1 syllable, consonant, 3 syllable, clue, 1 syllable. So option C is the answer, father, 2 syllables. The children were plucking flowers. The passive form of the above sentence is flowers were plucked by the children. Flowers are being plucked by the children. Flowers were being plucked by the children. Flowers have been plucked by the children. Option C is the answer. Past continuous, passivized past continuous. Option C. He dashed in New Delhi for 3 years. The appropriate tense form of the verb to be used here is option A, living, option B, lived, option C, lives, option D, live. Answer is option B, lived. Simple past. The appropriate prefix to form the opposite of possible is option A, in, option B, im, option C, un, option D, miss. Answer is option B, im, impossible. Qutub Minar is a majestic monument. The part of speech of the underlined word is a or an. Option A, verb, option B, adverb, option C, adjective, option D, preposition. Answer is option C, adjective. The meeting was dashed due to bad weather. The correct phrasal verb to be used here is option A, put on, option B, put up with, option C, put off, option D, put out. Answer is option C, put off. Greenland is larger than any other island in the world. The superlative form of the above sentence is option A. Greenland is large island in the world. Option B. No other island is largest than Greenland in the world. Option C. Greenland is the largest island in the world. Option D. Greenland is largest of the islands. Answer is option C. Greenland is the largest island in the world. If I had been hungry, I dash eaten something. The correct words to be used here to complete the if clause sentence are option A. Wouldn't have. Option B. Shouldn't have. Option C. Would have. Option D. Should have. Answer is option C. Would have. Sanjay is coming tomorrow. The question tag to be used here is option A. Is he? Option B. Isn't he? Option C. Does he? Option D. Don't he? Here Sanjay is coming tomorrow. Present continuous. B form is used here. So positive sentence, we need to use negative question tag. Answer is B. Isn't he? We had to wait for dash hour and dash half for the bus. The articles to be used here are option A and the. Option B, an and a. Option C, the and a. Option D, a and an. Answer is option B, an hour and a half for the bus, an and a. The thieves quarreled dash themselves. The preposition to be used here is option A for, option B between, option C among, option D after. Answer is option C among. I bought it dash I needed it. The conjunction to be used here is option A and, option B still, option C so, option D because. Answer is option D because. I bought it because I needed it. The way in which he told the story was so dash. Correct form of the word to be used here is option A interested, option B interestingly, option C interesting, option D interests. Answer is option C interesting. In a formal letter, yours faithfully is known as option A salutation, option B subscription, option C superscription, option D subject. Answer is option B subscription. Courage is everything. Strength and age are not important. This remark was made by option A Swami, option B Granny, option C Inspector, option D Swami's father. Answer is option D Swami's father. As the night advanced, Swami remembered all the stories of option A adventure, option B tiger, option C devils and ghosts, option D cricket match. Answer is he remembered all the stories of devils and ghosts. Option C is the answer. A frightful proposition, Swami thought. The proposition was option A to sleep alone in the passage, option B to sleep alone in the office room, option C to sleep beside his granny in the passage, option D to sleep under the hall lamp. Answer is option B to sleep alone in the office room. Roma Talreza was a option A railway employee, option B high school dropout, Option C, call center executive. Option D, sales executive. Answer is option C, a call center executive. Take the girl to Airoli, suggested the cop. There is a hospital there, but Baleshwar disagreed because option A, he knew that hospital lacked personnel and equipment. He knew that Airoli was at least 10 kilometers away. Option C, he was too tired to carry Roma any further. Option D, he felt the hospital may refuse to take accident victim. Answer is option B, he knew that Airoli was at least 10 kilometers away. I do not like to have you speak to me in that manner. This was said by narrator, Senator Catron, surveyor, Don Anselmo. Answer is option D, Don Anselmo. The Americans offered to pay almost double the amount to Don Anselmo because option A, the old man agreed to sell both land and his house. The land was very fertile. Option C, the land was much more than 8 acres. Option D, the narrator convinced them to pay more. Answer is, the land was much more than 8 acres. So, the Americans offered to pay almost double the amount to Don Anselmo. One day, the Americans came back to the narrator's office to complain because option A, Don Anselmo did not allow them to replaster the house. Option B, the children of the village were overrunning their property. Option C, everyone speak to them only in Spanish. Option D, the fence they had patched was torn by the villagers. Answer is option B, the children of the village were overrunning their property. So they came to the office to complain. They brought about a veritable revolution in social thought. Here, they refers to option A, Dr. Ambedkar and Gandhiji. Option B, Nehru and Gandhiji. Option C, Mahatma Phule and Nehru. Option D, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and K.M. Munshi. Answer is option A, Dr. Ambedkar and Gandhiji. Dr. Ambedkar spent most of his life in A, purchasing books, B, attending conferences, C, reading books, D, importing books. Answer is option C, reading books. There is no harm in trying it, Smita said to herself. Here it refers to option A, requesting Pandit Ravi Shankar to play for Anant. Option B, convincing the doctors to continue Anant's treatment. Option C, taking Anant to the concert. Option D, requesting Aunt Sushila to let them stay in her apartment. Answer is option A, requesting Pandit Ravi Shankar to play for Anant. Pandit ji is a busy man. You must not bother him with such requests. This was said by option A, Ustad Allah Raka. Option B, mustached man. Option C, Anant. Option D, Aunt Sushila. Answer is option B, mustached man. Why do you take away his source of entertainment? This remark was made by Satish's mother, brother Inder, friend Surender, Satish's father. Answer is Satish's mother. The lesson Colors of Silence gives us the message that physical disability is no barrier to success. One has to read a lot to get on in life. Formal education is not important. Physical disability is barrier to success. Option A is the answer. Physical disability is no barrier to success. The family members of Grandma told her that one should grow old bravely, disgracefully, gracefully. Option D, slowly. Answer is option C, gracefully. When Grandma was confined to bed, she felt option A, relieved, option B, miserable, option C, happy, option D, rested, option B, miserable. She felt unhappy. A droppeth dash. The appropriate option to complete this line of the poem is option A, above the sceptred sway, option B, dread and fear of kings, option C, as the gentle rain from heaven, option D, the force of temporal power. Answer is, it droppeth as the gentle rain from heaven. Option C is the answer. In the poem Quality of Mercy, mightiest in the mightiest refers to option A, scepter, option B, crown, option C, mercy, option D, dread. Answer is option C, mercy. In the poem The Song of India, Motherland wants the poet to sing about the seers and prophets, strikes and class war, dams and lakes, Himalayas and three seas. Answer is strikes and class war. Mother India appeared to be sitting on option A, the peaks of Himalayas, option B, the beautiful waves, option C, the rock-cut temples, option D, the dams and lakes. Answer is option B, the beautiful waves. His wrinkled old face so full of wearies of living. This suggests that the chess player was option A, old and cheerful, option B, not enthusiastic about life, option C, lively but old, option D, very enthusiastic about life. Answer is option B, not enthusiastic about life. Oh, say what dash. The appropriate option to complete this line of the poem is option A, of wondrous things you see, option B, day or night myself I make, option C, is that thing called light, option D, are the blessings of the sight. So answer is option C, oh say what is that thing called light. The mysterious parcel that was brought to Mohan's house contained option A, pamphlets, option B, cyclostyling machine, option C, newspaper, option D, memorandums. Answer is option B, cyclostyling machine. Hema Aziz politely refused the Indian Army's compensation offer of option A, a house, option B, money, option C, a petrol pump, option D, a job. Answer is a petrol pump. Okay dear children, so far you answered 40 questions, especially multiple choice questions of model question paper. I hope there will be second set of model question paper. Again you need to answer those questions, and I hope you are all reading the textbooks, especially the questions from anywhere in the lesson. You need to be ready for this kind of challenge in exam, and please read the lessons and poems and supplement reading lessons again and again for better understanding. Okay dear children, please subscribe your channel for future videos. To subscribe your videos, you need to use subscribe button. Okay, we will meet in the next video with few more multiple choice questions from the lessons. Till then, have a nice day. Take care of yourselves. Stay home, stay safe.